Hi everyone, it's your girl Regina, the Side Hustle Queen, coming to you with another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make large sublimation designs using your Epson-2720. If this is your first time joining me, welcome to my channel, Regina's Crazy Life. I shoot DIY projects as well as cruise tip videos every single week, so make sure you hit that subscribe button and become a part of my YouTube family. If you want to see the DIY projects that I'm working on from week to week, make sure you join my Facebook group, Side Hustle Queen Creations. And guess what? I just launched my very own online store. So if you're interested in purchasing any of my custom designs, or you want to purchase some sublimation blanks for your next DIY project, make sure you visit my store to see my coming soon sublimation blanks that will be here in like 1 week. So make sure you head over to my store, sidehustlequeencreation.com, and check it out. So we're going to head over here to Canva so that I can show you guys how to make large sublimation designs with your Epson 2720. This method can also be used with Cricut Design Space. I'm just a huge fan of Canva, but the same thing I'm doing in Canva, you can do in Cricut Design Space. So the first thing you want to do is hit the Create Design button. Then you want to go down to Custom Designs. Now, your custom size will always first be in px, but you want to change it to inches, in. Now, the size of your sublimation paper, most likely, if you're using the 2720, is going to be 8.5 by 11. Now, if you wanted to do like a large print for a t-shirt, I recommend in your box you put the 8.5 by 11. But if you're printing like a large rectangle design, like if you want to put it like on a say a sublimation pillow, then what you want to put in, you want to flip the numbers and put in 11 by 8.5, and that will give you the large rectangle shape. So 8.5 by 11 will give you that full large print for a t-shirt, like a t-shirt design or an apron or something large, and you want it the longer way. But if you're looking for like a large rectangle, you want to flip the numbers and put 11 by 8.5. So you want to hit create new design. So what's going to come up is just a blank white square that's 11 inches by 8.5. So I'm just going to grab a design that I already have downloaded over here. I'm going to use this design right here. So you want to just make sure that whatever design you came up with or you creating, that it fits the whole square. This was design that I got off of Etsy, and I made for one of my customers. They really liked this design. Faith does not make things easy, it makes things possible. So one of the things I always say in my videos, if you believe in yourself when nobody else does, because whatever you put your mind to, you can do. So now that we have our design, we're going to go ahead and download it. But we're going to download it in a PDF standard, because this is how you get your sublimation design the size that you want it. So once it downloads over here in the left hand corner, just give it a couple of seconds. You can go ahead and title it if this is a new design for you, or you can just open it up, because any design that you make in Canva will be on Canva once you go back. So the first thing I want to do once my design come up is I want to head over here to my printer and make sure that your printer is set for your Epson ET2720. We want to come down here to more settings. We want to use print using system dialog. You want to select that. Once your box come up, make sure that your Epson 2720 is still selected, because if you use multiple printers like I do for like shipping and things like that, sometimes it'll select the wrong printer. So make sure your Epson ET2720 is selected. You want to go over here to preferences, and my printer is already set up for sublimation. So if you want to know how your printer is supposed to be set up for sublimation, I'll put a link in the description, as well as you can just click the video after this video at the end of this video. So mine is already set up. So I want to just make sure I select my print preview. And if you check over here in more options, you'll notice it's already mirrored and all the basics of setting up your sublimation printer. Okay, in order to make your picture large, you want to come down here where it say multiple pages, where it say off. You want to click on that arrow down button, and you want to put two. You want to select 2 by 1 poster, and you want to select that. Once you select that, you want to hit OK, and then you want to hit print. And because you hit the show the preview, right here in the right hand corner, you can see like this page is already split. It's going to show you that half of this will be on this page, and then the other half will be on this page. So right here it's showing you right now that that picture is split. So what you want to do is put 2 sublimation pieces of paper inside your printer, and you want to go ahead and print and allow it to print out. So instead of your design printing on one piece of paper, it's now going to print larger. It's going to split itself in half and print on 2 sides. It's going to print on 2 papers, making your image way larger. And the only thing you want, if you use the Epson, you already know that the Epson do not sublimate all the way at the end of the paper. So that's why you see the little white designs. But once you print it out, it's going to print out on 95% of your paper, creating you, instead of having a design on one page, you will have it half and half on 2 pieces of papers, and you just put some heat tape on the back and go ahead and press them on whatever design that you're trying to make. I hope this video helped you learn how you can make larger designs using your Epson 2720. I will be doing part 2 on how to press the 2 designs using my new 15 by 15 heat press. So make sure you look out for part 2. If you do not know how to connect the sheets, trim the sheets and connect them together so that you can have one large picture. Thank you guys for watching, and hopefully I will see you guys on part 2. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and make sure you check out my new online store, Side Hustle Queen Creation. Every item purchased on my website for the rest of the year will receive a free gift. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye, everyone.